Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm in here to convey material about Islamic integration and science. Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hoyur Rifki with NIM 82. What will be discussed? Firstly, understanding integration Islam and science. Secondly, characteristic of integration Islam and science. Thirdly, obtaining method science in science. Fourthly, knowledge integration concept religion and science. Firstly, what is Islamic integration? Integration is called integration in English, which means unity, oneness, completeness, and so on. Religious integration and science is a process in which several elements, religion and science, were combined and adapted so that emerge and harmonize the fusion of two different dimensions. Another definition of integration is combining or uniting two things until they become a complete and coherent whole. Understand science and religion. The influence on the development of science when public awareness with a paradigmatic basis was formed at the end of the 16th century. If the activity is intellectual, then science is very important for the life of modern Western society. There is a tradition. It is nothing but continuation of the long life path of ancient Greek society. As stated by Conto Wibisono, the birth of science was initially identical to philosophy itself, which had a mythical character. Thus, in its subsequent development by pre-Socratic philosophy experienced its peak in myth and developed into science. Nah, secondly, characteristic of science. According to the Liangji, firstly, empirical knowledge is obtained based on observation and experimentation. Secondly, systematic and diverse information and data, organized as a collection of deep knowledge interdependent on orderly relationship. Thirdly, is objective. Science means knowledge without bias or personal preference. Fourthly, analytical. Scientific attempt of divided a problem into detailed sections to understand the various properties, relationship, and roles of the many exciting parts. 5. Verification. Anyone can verify. Nah. Thirdly, methods of obtaining knowledge in Islam. Epistemology in the Western thought tradition relies on two perspectives, namely is rationalism and empiricism, which are the main pillar of the scientific method, and epistemological studies have a potential to open new perspectives in multidimensional science. Epistemology is a branch of philosophy that is concerned with the origin of various methods and the validity science. To mainstream in epistemology, firstly is rationalism, emphasizes the importance of the function of the sense and idea, and is the idea that the function of the sense is secondary. Secondly is empiricism, school of philosophy which states that all knowledge comes from human sensory experience. Fourthly is knowledge integration concept religion and science. Number one is philosophical. Philosophy in Greek term philosophia. In them is from pabilan, which mean to love, whereas apabilos, which mean friends, comrade, friends. Next is term sophos, which mean wise, whereas sophia, which mean wisdom. Number 2 is material. Implementation of integration and connection is possible in the material or by using three models of scientific interconnectivity between scientific disciplines. Number 3, methodology. Research methodology is a way of obtaining information and data. Source used in research. This information or data can be in the form of any literature such of magazines, articles, theses, book, newspaper, and so on. Research methods are also available through electronic media such as television and radio. Number 5 is strategy. The concept of strategy is a concept that can be interpreted as effort, a method by which individual or group use their skill and research to achieve goals through procedures that are considered effective and efficient to achieve the desired goals. Conclusion regarding knowledge from the Islamic perspective is generally said seeking knowledge means worshipping Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. With knowledge, we can strengthen our faith and provide a foundation for success, different between good and bad. So the law of seeking knowledge is mandatory. The prophet one said, "Tolabul ilmi ala faridatun alal kulil muslimin." The meaning is seeking knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim. Number 1 is the way obtain knowledge in Islam is by using a scientific method called epistemology. Number 2 is the rationalism method is a method that use reason and ideas to study and science. Well, that's a theory as well as research. Number 3 is empirist method is a method that use experience and the five senses to learn a science knowledge. Experience is an activity that has been done and studied. The five senses are sight, obtaining knowledge by saying first. Thank you. That's all. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.